How to close. There is something called indicators of interest. And men need to know this because they don't even realize when a woman's expressing interest. For instance, when she asks you a lot of questions about you, when she plays with her hair while she talks to you, when she tries to qualify herself. जैसे आप नहीं नहीं यार मतलब मैं अच्छी हूं. When she tries to express that in some way, मैं तो cool हूं. That means she wants to be seen as cool in your eyes. You do this all the time. You qualify yourself. And women do the same. It really depends on who has the upper hand. Or she leans in when she's talking to you. One of the things that you can do in an interaction to test where the woman's at is you just take a step back and see if she takes a step forward. Because if she matches that, that means she's really intent on this conversation. She's in it. Right? And this is a genuine thing. You can capture this on a camera. Because like you'll move back and she'll move forward. In fact, if you land a risky statement well, you will see she will take a step towards you. Because this is just how subconscious body movements happen, dark arts level stuff. And if she laughs at your jokes, because trust me, your jokes are not funny. Your jokes are bad, bro. But if she laughs at your jokes, just like you laugh at mine, that means you like me. That means she likes you. How to ask out. We covered this in this video. How many people have seen this video? किसी ने ये video नहीं देखा है? Where we cover this, because then we'll watch it right now. Chat on karna. Only write L if you haven't seen this video. Kamal hai bhai. तुमने video नहीं देखा. Okay, we'll cover this segment. I'm going to switch this video on. Tell me if you can hear it. Right? This is the moment. You've gotten in the conversation. You got in front of her. You discovered her. You played with her. You asked her questions. Let's begin unpacking. The ask out. The ask out. 1. Where? Her by doing it on text messages. Are you really going to be the man of her dreams when you can't even say, listen, I like you, I want to take you out on a date? In front of her? Do it in conversation. And not just because, oh, what is the signal, but also the success rate is completely different, bro. What are you doing? I've been that guy, man. I was 17, 18 once, and I was texting my then crush, hey, listen, I kind of like you. It's just horrible. Don't do it. Do it in conversation. Timing. Do it when the conversation's hot. Or towards the end of it, but do it when the conversation's hot. And you can tell when the conversation's hot when you're both speaking at a pace, when you're both excited, your faces are jovial, they're lit up. As soon as you feel like the conversation's hot, pull the trigger and pull it with the words I'll give you. Situation. Do it one-on-one, never in a group. In a group, there's too much pressure, bro. Too many people are looking at her. There's too many things to think about. Oh my God, what are people? What maybe they may be blah, blah, blah. Don't put her under that. Isolate her. Be like, can I have you for a second? Take her outside and then ask her out. Always one-on-one. The words. The words can change, but here's a formula I'll give you. This formula is brilliant. This is literally stuff I learned around like the first year, two and a half of going about trying to meet women. And this formula worked brilliantly for me. So say a time and a date, or a time or a date. Like say a temporal quality. Say Thursday. Say an activity. Let's go get ice cream. And then say something fun you'll do on top of that. Hey, let's go out on Thursday. We'll go get ice cream and talk about how dumb Joe Biden is. Maybe that's not the funniest thing to you. In America, they kind of like it. You can say, I'll tell you why. Because when I was doing this in America quite a lot, Trump was the hot topic. Like everybody loved to talk about Trump. So I would very often say, hey, let's go out Friday. We'll go get froyo and we'll talk about how dumb Donald Trump is. Right? And you can replace these three things with anything of your choice depending on what context, what locality, what. Simple formula. Day and time. Do X fun thing. Talk about Y absurd thing. Look, remember the whole point about creating an emotional adventure? When you're asking out, it's not so much about the logic. It's not so much about the words you use. It's about the emotion you communicate. So when I say do X fun thing, I always add something really weird, right? Like it depends. Delhi mein bolta hu, let's go climbing. And then we'll talk about what a weak climber you are. Right? It's a challenge. Now, on a dark arts level, what this will do is it'll make her qualify. I'm not weak. I'll outclimb you. And now this has become a challenge. Tension has been introduced. But you can do a bunch of different things. Let's go get sushi and see how tasteless you are. Again, these are cocky things that I use. This is my cocky shit. I'm not asking you to use this cocky shit. I'm asking you to adapt it to your personality. Day and time, let's go out Thursday. I would always use Thursday because Friday, Saturday, sabke plans hote hain. So I would always use Thursday. And this is stuff I picked up in America. And I would use this literally. Let's go out Thursday, get ice cream and talk about how stupid Donald Trump is. And it'll work 10 on 10. Because girls will be like, Donald Trump on a date? Like, you know. But I perfected this. I tried hundreds of closers until I landed with this one. This became my pet closer. So what we'll do now, actually, I think there isn't there? Acha, yahan hai nahi. We'll come up with our own. We'll do an exercise real quick and we'll come up with our own close. You guys will write down your own close. Choose a day. Choose an X fun thing you can think around doing that is fun to you. Remember, entertain yourself. That is fun to you. And choose a Y absurd topic that is absurd to you. And that she kind of relates to too. अब तुम बिल्कुल ही एनिमे की बात करने लोगे उसको पता नहीं तो कैसे चलेगा है ना? And usually when I think of the why absurd thing I want to talk about, I'll borrow it from the conversation. अभी मैंने इतनी देर बात करी, कुछ ना कुछ absurd निकल के आया होगा. So write me a close. Let's see. Thursday, let's go for jiu-jitsu and talk about sneakers. Okay, sneakers, very low emotion. Very low emotion. Let's talk about how stupid sneaker culture is. High emotion. You see? But say, let's go out Thursday. We'll go do jiu-jitsu. But jiu-jitsu is also not like a very sexy adventure for a woman, na? For a woman. So think about something better, but largely works. Let's meet on Monday. Let's go bowling and see how you can bowl stuff. Okay. Don't follow this challenging wala route. Focus on the format here. Let's go out axe throwing and talk about why you are so shy. Okay. I can see that. But it's not why absurd thing. Follow the formula. Give me something on the formula. Let's go get shawarma and talk about how shit our college is. Okay, kind of depressing. I need more jovial emotion, more absurd emotion. Let's catch up Friday evening and talk about Formula One is a talentless sport. You did not mention the fun thing we will do. Let's meet on Friday, go get dosas and talk about what a talentless sport Formula One is. Again, remember, there is contextuality to it. Don't force anything in the moment, but have a pet close ready. Sunday, let's go. No. Say, let's go out Sunday, go for Cub and see how much of a bad dancer you are. Okay, this will work. Not bad. Give me emotion. Friday, let's go to trampoline land and see who jumps higher. Give me more why absurd things we will talk about. How overrated Crocs are. That's pretty funny. But make sure when you're bringing overrated Crocs as a why, it was discussed previously. Suppose you just discussed how weird modern fashion is. Then you can bring it back. Samajh aaya na? Let's go out Sunday. We'll grab a waffle and talk about how coolers are better than ACs. Okay, kind of strange, but okay, works. Maybe you discussed cooler and ACs before. Then it fits perfectly. Let's go out Friday. We'll go do salsa and talk about how overrated Cheetos are. Not bad. Thoda or monumental. Remember, if you take the why from conversation you've just had, it'll be brilliant. Because तुम किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, अब तुम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हो, नॉर्मल है. Okay. I need to wear glasses or I'm going to have a headache. Okay, guys. We'll power through. It's last few minutes left and we'll be done and then we'll hang out. Okay. Advanced skills when it comes to closing. One of them is called seeding it. So मैं क्या करूंगा when I'm having a conversation with somebody, and this you can do with men, women both, and the conversation gets very hot, I will use that moment to plant a close. जैसे मान लो मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ, बात एकदम excited हो रही है, बोलो bro, हमें आइसक्रीम खाने जाना चाहिए. और फिर मैं फॉलो अप नहीं लूंगा, फिर मैं आगे बात करनी शुरू कर दूंगा. अब जब मैं इवेंचुअली बोलूंगा ना हमें आइसक्रीम खाने जाना चाहिए, तू रेडी है ऑलरेडी, तेरे दिमाग में बात फंसी हुई थी, तो मैंने सीड कर दिया एक हॉट मोमेंट पे कॉन्वर्सेशन में, एक क्लोज ऑलरेडी, और फिर बाद में ट्रिगर ले लिया. The second thing I do is instead of getting her number, I'll always get Instagram. And the reason is Instagram is low stakes. Number is high stakes. Number is personal. Instagram is low stakes. Plus, on Instagram, if I manage my stories and my profile right, I'm super dateable. If I can communicate on stories and my posts a high emotional lifestyle, a good lifestyle, crazy हो जाएगा bro लड़की के लिए. और एक के लिए नहीं, सब के लिए. Because नंबर पे मेरे को अपडेट करना पड़ेगा. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Instagram पे मैंने स्टोरी डाली, सबने देख ली ना. Instagram is make once and then communicate to all. Texting is communicate once and get to one. I usually go for Instagram and उसके बाद मैं अपने Instagram को curate करता हूँ, works tremendously well. If you go anywhere before 2020 on my Instagram, you will see a kind of Instagram that was optimized for dating, not for social media. You will see crazy things there. You will see a very like fucking lifestyle there that I'd no longer do on Instagram. What if my IG profile has no post? Then don't do Instagram, bro, because then you in negative. Then take number. But यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा एडवांस लेवल पे बता रहा हूँ चीजें. You can curate an Instagram profile that is super attractive. Snapchat is a good idea. People do Snapchat all the time. When I was young, I tried Snapchat for about 6 months, and then Instagram introduced stories, and I was like, fuck Snapchat now. Right? And so I just use Instagram. Guys use Snapchat. Snapchat is good enough. Bro, वो रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट करेगी कैसे ब्रो? भावेश, तुझसे मिलके तूने ये सब किया है या दूर से सिर्फ उसके डीएम्स में स्लाइड करने की कोशिश कर रहा है? क्यों करेगी वो एक्सेप्ट यार? सोच ना. How to curate an IG profile. This course is not about it, but I'm telling you मेरी personal profile open है Instagram पे. If you scroll down enough, you will see. From 2016, 2015 to 2020, 5 years, my profile was optimized for dating. And God did it help, right? Stick around after. After you've gotten her number or her Instagram, don't run. You will ask me, you will be like, bro, I'm not going to run. I'm telling you, you will run. I've known enough dudes. As soon as they get their number, उनको लगता है बॉम्ब लगा दिया, भागो यहाँ से. अब फट सकता है कभी भी. नहीं भागना, खड़े रहना है. तुमने अगर सिर्फ ये मैनेज कर लिया that after you get her number, you stick around and talk to her for 10-20 more minutes, she will not forget you. Because most guys who get her number run away afterwards. It makes her feel like less of an object and more of a person. Just stick around afterwards. If you get these 3 advanced skills down, your close rate will go max. Isn't it just appearances and may seem deceptive? We can get into the morality of it later, bro. Please explain seeding again. Okay, hypothetically, I meet you, Karan, somewhere, right? And you and I are talking. And I want to see you later, but I can ask you towards the end, bro, do you want to meet for coffee later? Or halfway through, I will say it. Halfway through, in a moment, like, jahan conversation bahut fun ho rahi hai, badi vibe ho rahi hai, I'll be like, bro, you know what? We should get coffee sometime. You'll be like, yeah. And then I'll just go on. And then eventually I'll be like, you want to get coffee this Saturday? And you're already prepared. How to recover from embarrassments. How to recover from embarrassments, because you ask her out, she's like, wait, what? Or she's like, no, or any of those things. You make a risky statement and she's like, wait, what? You make something embarrassing happen. You open her and she's like, whoa, what do you do? Understand what you've done in this moment is you've made a risky statement that is too risky for her. What is the opposite of risky, chat? What is the opposite? Comforting. Boring. Say something boring. Immediately follow it up with something boring. Start telling her a story of you trying to understand algebra. I don't give a shit. You will see, even if it does not land in the words that you're using, emotionally it will land. Own your embarrassment. Nikhil, 1 minute रुक जा तेरे question के साथ. I'll take your question. Own your embarrassment. थोड़ा embarrassing हो गया यार ये. You ask her out, you're like, hey, you want to go on a date? She's like, no. What do you think? Wait, no, I have a boyfriend. Oh, fuck. Did I embarrass myself? कोई नहीं, चल. थोड़ा awkward हो गया ये. Meta honesty, हम बात कर चुके हैं. Own it, bro. Normal बात है. मेरे को तू cute लगी, मैंने तेरे को hello बोला, तेरे को मैं interested नहीं हूँ, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, normal बात है. Own it. No big deal, bro. No big deal. तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हारे दोस्त हंसेंगे. You think people are going to be like, हाँ, Peter, तेरा भी question लेता हूँ. अभी लेता हूँ. Don't lose frame. If I could teach you anything about dark arts, I teach you frame control, bro. Frame control is the way I see reality is my frame. The way you see reality is your frame. Bro, chat off करना 1 minute यार, वैभव. मैं बात नहीं कर पाऊंगा ऐसे. समझा रहा हूँ वैभव सिंह. Frame is how you see reality. ठीक है? Suppose मैं एक बंदी को बोलता हूँ I like you. You're cute. And she's like, sorry, I'm not interested. The difference is I see reality a certain way. She sees reality in a different way. She sees us as friends. I see us as partners. Now, the ideal thing here to do is be like, okay, accept rejection and move on.
But say if I had to maintain frame, I'd continue insisting, be like, yeah, I see you as a friend right now too, but later I think things can change. You see how I continued remaining in my frame? In the case of an embarrassment, you know, you're like, hey, I like you. And she's like, no. And you're embarrassed. Your frame is like, yaar, mera try karna to banta tha. You're so cute. I had to say hello. You continued in your way, the way you see reality. And I'm telling you as a matter of fact, लोगों को नहीं पता किस तरीके से socially behave करना है. If your frame is strong, people get sucked in. Like with Andrew Tate, for instance. He speaks so confidently. His frame is so strong. Eventually people are like, हाँ यार, बात तो ठीक कह रहा है. हाँ यार, बात तो ठीक कह रहा है. कोई दिमाग नहीं लगा रहा उसकी बात पे. उसके frame में सब suck in हो रहे हैं. It's a good example. How convinced are you of your reality? Andrew is so convinced the Matrix is real, people have started saying the Matrix is real. That is what is frame. Your frame when you approach a woman is, you are attractive and I think I want to say hello. I'm going to try and see if this is going to work out. So when you come across an embarrassment, instead of sorry, instead of crumbling frame wise, कि हो मैं जिस तरीके से reality देख रहा था बड़ी गलती हो गई मैडम मेरे से, hold the frame, be like, sorry यार मैं try कर रहा था नहीं बना. Simple. And it doesn't even feel that bad afterwards. And then meta honesty. Yeah, it got a little awkward. Awkwardness is not about the moment being awkward. Awkwardness is about you being awkward at an awkward moment. If you don't get awkward about the awkwardness, you're fine. How to close, do's and don'ts. I think this is the last slide. Yeah. Do's, ask out when tension is high. Be direct with your intent. Smile and look interested. Own your feeling. Don'ts, don't be aggressive about being rejected. Don't hide your intent. Don't ask out too late or too soon. And don't run away after getting her contact. Okay. Now, questions. Peter, tera question to dal de. Nikhil, I have never had sex before and want to have it in hookup manner rather than getting into a relationship, but I'm too afraid of being called as a virgin or inexperienced. I'm conscious about my penis size and what if I don't kiss well for the first time and ruin the experience? Bro, you're thinking too much, doing too little. क्या करेगा bro इतना अपने आप को संभाल के बहनचोद इतनी important चीज है तू क्या फर्क पड़ता है bro? No. And हाँ, the premise of that question is very valid, Nikhil. कि तू hookup track पे जाना चाहता है, hookup track पे रहे. बोल शुरू से clearly, मैं relationship में interested नहीं हूँ, but I think we'll have a great time being friends with each other and sort of, you know, exploring each other intimately. Keep that frame, no problem. She says, no, koi problem. Next bandi, you'll find somebody who's interested in that frame. Right? But don't get so conscious about yourself. You're not that important. Nobody is that important. Don't take yourself this seriously. मजाक करो अपने साथ, रिलैक्स करो अपने को लेके भाई, चिल करो खुद को लेके. अगर अभी तक मजा आया, अगर अभी तक कुछ नया सीखने को मिला, अगर अभी ऐसा लगा कि वाओ ब्रो अब तो मेरे को जाके ट्राई करना है, मेरे को लगता है मैं कर सकता हूं, इफ यू फील लाइक यू आर रेडी इन सम वे बिकॉज वी बिल्ट एन ओपन, वी बिल्ट यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स एंड वी बिल्ट यू क्लोजेस, यू कैन यूज दोज एनी टाइम. यू नाउ हैव सिस्टम्स एंड फॉर्मुलाज. असीम, पुट द लिंक राइट नाउ. प्लीज फिल दिस फॉर्म आउट एंड लेट अस नो व्हाट यू थिंक. Right? This is genuinely going to be very important for me in being able to do this again, if at all. These issues, bro, to talk about these issues is not easy. People do not like people talking about these issues. Men like me are not allowed to speak about stuff like this because लोग भागते हैं bro, दौड़ते हैं काटने के लिए कि तुम बोल कैसे सकते हो ये, right? और फिर तुम हालात देखो उन लड़कों की जिनको कभी अटेंशन नहीं मिलती औरतों से. फिर किसकी मदद करूं मैं और किस सेंस में मदद करूं? फाउंडेशनल स्टेप to becoming more confident goes through your sexuality. Part of the reason why you are not confident is because you haven't owned up to your sexuality. It's so fundamental to the psyche. And when you give good reviews, if you fill this out and let me know how it really went for you and what you really feel, be genuine, be honest. What that will do is, bro, कल को कोई बोलेगा ना तो अपने पास डेटा है यार ये बोलने को कि देखो लड़कों की मदद होती है, देखो मेंटल हेल्थ लेवल पे आदमी यहां से यहां जा सकता है अगर उसका ये सॉर्ट होता है. All this stuff is deeper than what we talk about. It goes straight to our souls, bro. As men, we understand how lonely shit can be, bro. So fill this form out and I'll take questions. How to compensate for my short height and project strength, bro? It doesn't matter, bro. Focus on what you've got. Focus on what you've got. The way you project strength is through roughly owning yourself. If you're worried about your short height and try to compensate for it by speaking or doing something, you're already projecting weakness, bro, not strength. Strength is owning up to it. Can we do this in college? Yeah, you can do this in college, bro. How to manage all these things and not get inside your head? Good question. At the end of the day, this is a muscle building exercise. By the way, form चल रहा है कि नहीं? Chat खोलो, मेरे को पढ़ना है. Form चल रहा है कि नहीं? फिर form में issue ना वसीम. Permissions में.
It's working.
It's working, ठीक है. Not get inside your head. हाँ, तो bro, this is like building a muscle. अगर मैं तुम्हें साइकिल चलाने की थ्योरी दूंगा ना, तुम साइकिल नहीं चला पाओगे. साइकिल चलाने का सिंपल तरीका क्या है? पहिए पे पेडल पे पैर मार, कोशिश कर, गिरेगा कोई बात नहीं. वो ही फॉर्मूला यहाँ यूज करना है. Say the first thing that comes to your mind. You'll make some mistakes. Apologize, move forward. That is the fundamental. This is a muscle building moment. You're building a social muscle. You're building a muscle. It's not the same as landing it technically right. You're not doing a technical job. You're doing an intuitive job. It's not intelligence. It's instinct you are training. This is very different from teaching a skill. This is teaching you to repeat this until you land perfection. This is going to the gym. If we did a cohort on this ना, मैं तुमसे 20-25 लोगों को मैं बोलता जाके अप्रोच करो, ओपन करो, तब उसमें मजा आता. फिर तुम ये करते ना तो तुम्हारा दिमाग